Okay. Roll call. Roll call. Ambal Raju, Nitin, that K, Raji, Vij, Pondicherry, Rishav, Harkirat Singh. If any one of you are there, please say yes, because in another couple of minutes I will start the session. Ambal Raju, Nitin, Raji, Pondicherry Raji, Rishav, Harkirat Singh. Harkirat is there. How about others? Nitin, are you there? Yeah, Nitin is also there. Anybody else? Anybody else? Let me repeat the names. Ambal Raju, Raji, Rishav. I thought I saw Rishav somewhere. Maybe yesterday or today, I don't know. Yesterday I saw, correct. I think he made money and he said, I'm done for the day. Okay, no problem. So we'll start with you two itself. uh, do you know what is Ekinashi candle and pivots, CPR? Both of you. Please, if you say both, you say yes. Heikinashi candle and pivot lines. How about you, Nitin? Super. So both of you know. So in pivots, there are multiple different styles are there, correct? Different way it is calculated. Pivot is nothing but trying to calculate a range based on yesterday's high, low, etc. That's what is pivot is, the range. Okay. There is traditional, but we use Camarilla most of the time. Like unless today when it went below, went out of the range, then only we shifted to traditional. But otherwise, what we have found is for intraday, using Camarilla pivot is the best. You can go back and check our videos. Most of the days, those lines will be held perfectly from below, above, etc. Day before yesterday also you saw, no, those two lines. It was exactly below. So we use that Camarilla. So except this Ekenashi and Camarilla pivot, whatever else you see in this chart, whatever else you see in the chart, it is not, it's all developed by our company. Okay. So now we'll go one by one. Let us start with momentum meter. So it's the mother meter, mom meter, what we call, or intraday. Intraday trading primarily stands on three pivots. One is trend. That is, you need to know which side the market is moving. So based on that, you will take trade on that side, call or put. Next is whether the trend has got momentum, meaning whether it is going to go further in the same direction with speed and conviction, etc., or not. Third is to aid all this whether there is enough price action. Okay. Trend is basically on moving averages. The moving cluster of moving average, there are different ways, but moving average primarily decides whether the trend is there or not. Then momentum is basically you evaluate index simultaneously with multiple indicators whether there is momentum, there is strength, etc. And then price action is the actual buying and selling of the stocks. So to measure that, first price action, left corner, okay, top 10 shares. Both of you aware of NSE 50 stocks and its weightage? Aware, no? Super. So, just a second. Just let me. So, what we have done, TradingView has got some restrictions. We cannot call for and try to get all shares, etc. What we have done is we have taken top 10 shares with the highest weightage. It starts with HDFC, Reliance, Bharati, TCS, Infosys, etc. etc. The top 10 shares and its weightage. And for every tick for all those top 10 shares, we are on the back end applying whether if you evaluate by those 5 indicators, which is smart volume, Ichimoku cloud, etc., RSI, etc., whether those shares are in short or long or neutral. Short means whether it is going down, neutral means flat, and long means whether it is going to have a higher momentum to go upside. So continuously we are evaluating these 10 shares tick by tick and arriving at a value which is converted into a percentage. That weightage, each indicator result, all put together, a percentage is drawn for each share. So top 10 shares, some may be long, some may be short. Correct? We don't. Not all will be in green. Not all will be in red. Because the top 10 itself has 3 banks, 2 IT, 2 big corporates, one massive capital L&T, like that. नितिन हिंदी में ओ बाप रे सो ये ठीक है फर्स्ट लेट मी फिनिश इंग्लिश यू आस्क व्हेरेवर इज द डाउट मैं आपको बताता हूँ ठीक है ना समझने की कोशिश कीजिए मैं इंग्लिश में खत्म कर देता हूँ सो यू कैलकुलेट कीप ऑन चेकिंग those for 10 shares and arrive at a percentage based on the weightage and based on those indicator whether each share is long or not, and that percentage, total percentage, put here as top 10 shares. 100, I mean 0 to 40 is short, 40 to 60 is neutral, 60 to 100 is long. So now currently all 10 shares put together, when applying the indicator and the weightage, it is 44%. Okay, so that is price action. Then in the same way, what we do is Nifty is on the back end ran 7 indicators. Okay, 7 different indicators runs leading to wave trends, 3 lagging indicators, etc. Each is represented by dots and dashes. And if everything is aligned towards red, then Nifty is falling. If everything is aligned towards green, then Nifty is going up. So that is the primary this thing. Otherwise, it is saying some indicator is telling Nifty is going up, some is coming down. It will change tick by tick. You can see suddenly it is becoming aligned all red, then one will become green, etc. during 5 minutes itself. Because both these are calculated tick by tick. By running that 7 indicators, that they are all very powerful indicators. Okay, so you are clearly knowing you are checking the Nifty from different angles, whether it is going up, coming down, or flat. So that is what is represented by momentum. You will find no action if there is no alignment. You go and check the videos. Whenever there is red is there, it will say put entry. Whenever it is there, call entry. Okay, meaning Nifty is going up, so call can be tried. So that is the momentum. So we have covered price action, and then we have covered momentum. The third one is trend. Trend is coming from here, from the top. You see this yellow line? It is called the magic line. You must have heard so many times me telling. So it is nothing but a clustered moving average of our own definition. So what we have done is we have taken some moving averages, clustered it, put some weightage, etc. to moving average, and then we have given this. So primarily, number one, if Nifty is above magic line, Nifty magic line के ऊपर है तो कभी भी कॉल नहीं, आई मीन पुट नहीं खरीदने का. निफ्टी वो येलो लाइन के नीचे है, कभी भी कॉल नहीं खरीदने का. इसकी वजह से आपका मोर देन 50%, 50% से अधिक के ऊपर बुरा ट्रेड ना वो चला जाएगा. क्योंकि आप एक साइड पे ही रहते हैं. Once it is below, आप यही पुट में देखते रहेंगे सवेरे, आप कॉल पे नहीं देखेंगे. You will never see call because it is already put, because it is below our magic line. So first is that तुम्हारा trading itself will get divided into two. You'll have, because if you see normal candle, no, you will always get confused. I will show you. ये ऊपर नीचे है ना, ये ग्रीन आ गया तो हम समझेंगे ऊपर जा रहा है. ओके, अगर रेड आ गया तो नीचे जा रहा है. नो. So that is why we use Hekinashi. This green red only आपको दिमाग उल्टा होते जाएगा. Call से put से call से put. That is where people lose maximum money. That is the primary reason we use Hekinashi. ठीक है. अभी ये देख लिया, लाइन के नीचे है, लाल रंग है, कभी कॉल नहीं निकालने का. कॉल को तो भूल जाओ. जब तक प्राइस ऊपर मैजिक लाइन के ऊपर नहीं आता, कभी भी कॉल नहीं खरीदने का. ऊपर आ गया तो पुट नहीं खरीदने का. दैट्स ऑल. ओके. सो दिस इज द मैजिक लाइन. दिस इज द मोमेंटम. Then okay, now we have covered price action shares, we have covered momentum, we have covered cluster moving average. What is balance? Because we are not buying shares, we are not buying futures, we are not, वो सब तो नहीं कर रहे ना. हम तो कॉल खरीदने वाले, कॉल पुट खरीदने वाले, नहीं तो कॉल बेचने वाले, नहीं तो पुट बेचने वाले. ठीक है ना. सो दिस टेबल में टू इस टेबल में आपको एक कॉल और एक पुट कभी भी रहता है. whenever the current market price is above entry price, उस साइड स्ट्रेंथ, उस तरफ जा सकते हैं आप. नाउ आप देखिए तो 141 इज एंट्री प्राइस. कॉल तो 120 है करंट मार्केट प्राइस. फिर तो कॉल नहीं खरीदेंगे, नो कॉल. बट पुट इज देयर. पुट इज अबो. पुट का स्ट्रेंथ है. किस तरफ स्ट्रेंथ है? कहाँ? करंट मार्केट प्राइस एंट्री प्राइस के ऊपर है, उस साइड अब स्ट्रेंथ है. बस वो समझ लीजिए, वो ही साइड खेलने का. सो यू लुक फॉर कंफर्मेशन ईयर. पहले इसको देखने का अलाइनमेंट है, ऊपर है नीचे है, डिसाइड करो. ये लाल है, ये लाल है लेकिन ऊपर है, नहीं करेंगे. ये लाल है नीचे, यस पुट ले लेंगे. सो देन इसको देखेंगे, प्राइस भी ऊपर जा रहा है, राइट. सो यू स्पेंड 2-3 days, you will know how to use all these four, these three and this चार्ट को देख के then you go out and buy and sell. ठीक है. So there is this is a technical stop loss. ये ट्रेल होता है. So this will get trailed because now it's already 221, meaning it will keep coming up. So that also tells you strength. And इसको expand करे, it will automatically it will expand to T3 if market range is expanding. Okay. If market range is expanding, this also will get expand. Hey, meanwhile, guys, there is a big green candle in crude. Check it out. Big green candle. Get away from all your calls. You'll get stuck. There is a possibility Nifty can crack down and go below this, because that is a big candle we are getting. It is almost a 50 cents candle. Fine. Okay, back to this. So ये सब, ये मार्केट, ये अभी बेटा वर्जन में है, इसको छोड़ दीजिए, अभी बात नहीं करेंगे. ये थोड़ा जस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन टेबल है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द सेटअप इज. अभी मैं यहीं रुकता हूँ. यू कैन आस्क ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. नितिन और अर्किरत सिंह, जो पूछना पूछ लो. मेरा कॉफी आ गया, मैं कॉफी पी रहा हूँ. समझ गया ना पूरा? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना नितिन? हाउ अबाउट यू अर्किरत? मेरे को पंजाबी नहीं मालूम सर. नो क्वेश्चंस, थैंक्स, ग्रेट यार. ठीक है. So if you want to, I think both, I don't know, both of you have trial, I think already. Yes, I think both of you have trial, no problem. Check it out. All clear. फिर नो The only other thing is you have to keep looking at the top dots. Okay, we keep talking about the leading indicators tells you अगर लाल है हरा पहले आ जाएगा ऊपर हरा पहले आ जाएगा. You can see here this is a classic case. ठीक है ना. See, Nifty started going down from morning 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, etc. But around 9:40, we got a green dot on the top. Around 9:40, we got a green dot on the top. इसका मतलब है निफ्टी घूमने वाला है. अगला कैंडल भी हो सकता है, दूसरा कैंडल में नहीं तो तीसरा, किसी में भी इट कैन टर्न अराउंड. दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स. दैट इज व्हाट द लीडिंग इंडिकेटर्स डू. इंडिकेटर्स में एक दो तरफ का है. वन इज दैट पास्ट को देख के बोलती है ठीक है ये. अनदर इज प्रोजेक्ट्स, क्या आने वाला है इट प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो ये जो ऊपर का डाट है ना, दैट सेज देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव प्रेशर, मीनिंग सेलिंग इज सबसाइडिंग. मतलब निफ्टी ऊपर आने वाला है. सो इमीडिएटली आफ्टर टू कैंडल्स इट स्टार्टेड टू गो, the buying started to come, you started getting market also. You can see here red, here also red, here also red, 3 candles red, then immediately you start seeing stopping and then turning around. Even the small nuances you need to know, so for you to really manage. Whenever you are taking any trade, if you are taking a long trade, you have to wait for only one thing. You have to watch each and every candle whether the previous candle high is taken. वो डोजी कोई भी कुछ परवाह नहीं, लेकिन whether the previous candle high is taken, then you can continue to hold. If the previous candle low is broken, then immediately you have to trail and close. That is one thing we have to remember. Okay. The other thing you need to watch out is the way the magic line is moving. After 5 minutes it will extend. Since it is a clustered average, it will, if it goes parallel means sideways. The angle of that yellow line should be looking upwards for call and looking downwards for puts. That also is one other thing you have to consider. Many times you will see, एक second आपको दिखाता हूँ. See here, this is a classic case. ऊपर से नीचे आया, बस फ्लैट होता गया, there is no movement. Then निफ्टी ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, you simply forget. So popularly what we say is, what I say is, if Nifty is romancing the magic line, you diverse the mouse. That's all. Okay. So these are all certain things that you can really put it so that when you are trading. Done. I am done and dusted. Okay. So what you can do is you can share this channel list to your friends, etc. So that is one help. You people can always help the channel. Okay, so we are stuck in monetizing, so that is why super thanks nothing is there. But till that, I think 2 things you can. One is you start liking as soon as you come, and also share the channel link to your friends. ठीक है, those who are looking for a setup. अगर those who are looking for अरे एक हाल खरीदो, ये पुट खरीदो, ये बेचो, वो सब यहाँ होने वाला नहीं है, वो कभी भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. थैंक यू यार.